All right, weather weenies, a lot of people have been asking me on social media, out in public, like, what's the Labor Day forecast? Everyone's like, is it going to rain? There's going to be rain over the weekend, but I think Labor Day itself is going to be pretty good. Let's take a look at the details. We're going to start off by looking at the GFS forecast model on kind of a national scale, and I just want to play through what's going to be happening for you here until Monday. So weather's pretty good right now, but what we're going to see is basically this line looks like a little bit of a front, area low pressure, just a little stuffy stuff that's going to be coming through. And we see it's actually fairly persistent, maybe Saturday, Sunday. So we'll get into fine details of what the exact impact will be. But the nice thing is this is like 2 a.m. on Monday where it looks like everything's cleared out. We have high pressure that's to our west, which brings us the cooler air section, but at least it should be cooler and drier. And then that high pressure stays in place for a while after Labor Day and then shifts to our south and our east, which should bring rebounding temperatures. So just by looking at that, I'm like, okay, some questions Saturday, Sunday, but generally Monday looking like it's going to be pretty good. If we go to weather.gov, we click on our forecast discussion. Cooler and drier air mass moves into the region today, Thursday, August 29th, and Friday with temperatures a bit below seasonal norms. It has been a chilly August for us here in New England, that's for sure. Temperatures and humidities increase on Saturday before a cold front brings showers and thunderstorms late Saturday and Saturday night. A secondary cold front crosses late Sunday before much cooler air moves in the region early next week. And that's exactly what we saw according to the GFS. For extreme southern New England, like southwestern Connecticut, sometime late Thursday into Friday morning, there's a little bit of an MCS, a mesoscale convective system is going to pass through, is going to give a little bit of rain. Otherwise, everyone's looking pretty dry until Saturday. So this is 2 p.m. on Saturday afternoon, seeing this line that's going to be sweeping through. And so can't promise Saturday afternoon or evening's weather is going to be pretty good. Looks like the heaviest of it, though, will be coming through the overnight hours, Saturday into Sunday. But expecting some remnants of this on Sunday. See how it's just going to be kind of hanging around. Not totally expecting it to be dry, but it will be clearing out. So here we are, 2 a.m. Monday morning. Looks like Labor Day itself will be nice, however, cooler. Looking at the QPF forecast from the Weather Prediction Center, we can kind of see how that rain moves across. Those lighter blues we see in New England are about an inch, inch and a half, so not expecting anything too detrimental at this time. In other words, I don't have like flooding concerns at this point, which seems like it's rare. Excessive rainfall forecast from WPC does have a marginal for the entire area for Saturday, so we can give it a couple days and see if this needs refining at all, but as of right now, it looks okay. And because Labor Day does sort of always feel like the unofficial kickoff of fall, after we get past Labor Day, overnight lows look mostly in the 40s Monday night and Tuesday night, with upper 30s not out of the question for the northern valleys. It's the first shot of cold, but don't worry, we'll warm up again in September. It always does.